Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to cook a sunny side-up egg. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need 1 fresh large egg, a good non-stick pan, and about 1 teaspoon of butter or a neutral oil like vegetable oil. Having a flexible spatula nearby will also make serving much easier. These simple items are all you need to create a delicious breakfast staple. Now let's get cooking. Place your non-stick pan on the stove and set the heat to medium-low. Allow it to warm up for about 2 minutes. Next, add approximately 1 teaspoon of butter or oil, letting it melt and coat the bottom. Then, gently crack your egg directly into the pan. Be careful not to break the yolk. It's the star of a sunny side-up egg. As your egg cooks, you'll see the whites begin to set and turn opaque. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. The key is to ensure the whites are completely cooked through, but the yolk remains beautifully runny and bright yellow. If you like, you can gently spoon some hot butter or oil over the yolk for a slightly firmer top and a lovely sheen. Your perfect sunny side-up egg is now ready. The whites should be firm and fully cooked, while the yolk is warm and wonderfully liquid. Using your spatula, gently slide the egg from the pan directly onto your plate. It's best enjoyed immediately. Pair it with some crispy toast for dipping, fresh avocado, or any other breakfast favorites. Enjoy your perfectly cooked egg.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.